What is that, Jasmine? I found a wooden box. It looks very old. Is that Grandma's handwriting? Yes, it is Grandma's writing. Look at this photo. Dear family, if you are reading this, I want you to remember what truly matters. What else did she write? Mom! Look what we found in the attic. That was my mother's favorite keepsake box. Grandma always planted flowers there every single spring. Did she leave a secret for us? Look here. Under the ancient oak tree, find the gift of peace.
She always said real treasure is not gold.
The tree is still so big and beautiful.
Let's check near the roots. I found something! It is buried right here. Be careful, son. These are flower seeds and wooden carvings.
Look, here is one for each of us.
Plant these together. When they bloom, remember that family love never fades.
She wanted us to spend more time together.
This feels so peaceful, Mom.
Grandma's love is right here with us. We will come back every week to water them.
I promise I will take good care of them.
Thank you, children. Grandma would be very proud.
Family is the best gift of all. Grandma's secret was not money. It was bringing our hearts closer together.
If you want to improve your English every day, subscribe to our channel right now and become a part of our lovely family. See you in the next story.